I'm here at WMMT, the radio station. I am DJ The Rabbit. I'm doing my show, The Rabbit Hole, but I got my Red Bull. Yeah, and I'm ready to go on a hike after this. Join me. So, got finished with my show. Was looking on Google Maps for hiking trails that are in this area over here at Whitesburg. And it said High Rock. And there was like one picture. It was a nighttime picture. And said it was beautiful. Well, I followed the GPS. It sent me to somebody's yard. And they had to move their vehicles in order for me to turn. And they said it's on up the hollow, High Rock. But the person who owns the property does not want anybody trespassing. So, there you go. Don't trust your GPS. But, for right now, I'm up here at Pine Mountain, well, no, Little Shepherd Trail. And I just stopped here for a minute trying to think, is there any hiking trails around this area? I know I want to walk Little Shepherd Trail at some point. It's 14 miles. But yeah, I'm going to have somebody with me when I do that, because somebody's going to have to park here, and then somebody's going to have to park on the other side at Kingdom Come State Park. So that way you don't have to walk 14 miles there and 14 miles back. But it's a nice view. There's some little information here. I don't know what that is up there making that sound. Whether it's nuts falling off the trees or actually something making that sound. But anyway. I will definitely find some place to park. Or some place to hike today. Gosh, I can't even talk. That was just a little unnerving. Actually pulling up to somebody's house. But oh well. Yes, I will find a place to hike today at some point. While coming back down the hill from Whitesburg, I found this, which I see this all the time. But did you know that this is where the scene, the baloney scene from Coal Miner's Daughter was filmed? Yes, this is it. Okay, that's hefty rectangular containers. I thought that was a bologna slicer when I was looking at it from out here. But yeah, anyway, so this is where it was filmed. This is where she said she was getting so sick of bologna. So that's it. From the movie Coal Miner's Daughter. She said, I'm getting so sick of bologna. And then Doolittle says, you know what they say about bologna, don't you? And I guess you know the rest of it from there. Okay, so I ended up not finding a hike. I actually came home because I started feeling sick. And I thought, okay, I'll take a little nap. I've been going pretty hard the past few days. Then, when I woke up and I still felt sick, I realized I hadn't eaten today. So, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to walk around my little neighborhood. And you know, I've never done this before. Well, I haven't lived here that long. But I've never walked around this little neighborhood before. Somebody getting ready for Halloween there. Yes, I've never done this before. I've never walked around Mall City here. 'Cause my spouse and I moved here right after my dad passed. We bought a house down here, and there's a lot of fixer-up houses here in Loyal. And yeah, looks like a lot of people are taking advantage of them. But anyway, yeah, I've never done this before. Never just taken this little walk. Oh, there's a little puppy. When my mom was young, she lived down here somewhere on this street, and I don't know where that would be. That would have been like in the late 40s, early 50s. And of course, she's not been down here. She is bedridden, but when she heard that I was getting a house here, she was telling me about living on Chad Street. So I wonder which one it was, or if it's even still here. Well, I'm almost back home. Well, I'm just about there, so that concludes our walk through Loyal. Hey, remember to like and subscribe. Tomorrow, I found a trail that I can walk, but it was too late tonight. So, join me. See you later. Bye.